The thing that blew me, this bag right here. And if you have their blow dryer, you know there's no bag or nothing that comes with it. They have a bag now. The bag is here, y'all. Can't wait to put my blow dryer in this. Matter of fact, let's put my blow dryer in the bag. Let me go get it. Here's the bag. So here's the blow dryer. Let's put her in there. Y'all, I'm so excited about it. I love that they came out with it. Diffuser with diffuser cover. Boom. The brush attachment, that in there. The concentrator nozzle. The wide tooth comb, that in there too. Yeah, there is the bag.